hepatopancreatic sphincter, right? You heard that earlier, okay? What hormone causes relaxation of that sphincter? CCK, right? CCK does. Relaxation of the hepatopancreatic sphincter. So now we have a pathway of bile being made in the liver, okay, and traveling down our right and left hepatic ducts, making the common hepatic. That receives cystic, makes the common bile. Common bile continues down, receives the pancreatic duct, making hepatopancreatic ampulla, which is difficult to see, but we can find it though in the model we have in lab. Okay, that's the ampulla. Around the ampulla is a muscle, which is a sphincter type hepatopancreatic sphincter. Okay, is that. So if this is closed, where will the bile go? It will go back up, okay, and push right into. Now some, of course, will make its way back up here. You can't stop that, but it will be forced back up into the gallbladder. So there's no connection between the liver and the gallbladder as far as the duct system goes, or I should say that, as far as like they're sharing, you know, their same functional tissue. They're not doing that. They're connected via the duct system here. So as bile is made down here, this is closed. It has no choice. The back pressure forces it back up and gets stored in the gallbladder. So what does the gallbladder do? It stores, and it also, though, absorbs water from this, so it concentrates it. So it stores it and concentrates bile. What does bile do for us? What's it used for, I should say? Is it used for, choices here, 33 and 30% chance of getting it right? Is it used for protein breakdown, digestion? Is it used for fat digestion, or is it used for, what's the other?
Fat digestion.
Yes, it's used for fat digestion, okay? That's what it is used for. Is it a type of digestion that is chemical, or is it a type of digestion that is mechanical? It is mechanical, okay? We can even now say, and give it a word here that we haven't got to yet, if we can say emulsifies fat. Emulsifies, like a detergent might do in water, okay? Emulsifies it, all right? It's a physical breakdown, a physical digestion, mechanical if you want. It emulsifies fat. That's what bile does for us, okay? That's what it does. And we'll get into what are the constituents of bile, and any guesses what it could be composed of, mostly or a large percentage of? Any ideas? In fact, the gallstones that typically can present, and I found a whole bunch of them in our cadaver, I told you that story, right? They can present in the right upper quadrant. On plain film, you can see them if they're there. Is cholesterol is a major component of gallstones. Cholesterol, okay, is one of the, and certain people are prone to get gallstones. There's a list of certain types of people that get gallstones, and that's neither here nor there. But we have to, are we almost done? We are done. Yes. Hold on, don't run off, don't run off.
As far as the pancreatic duct,
Yes.
what if that sphincter is closed? Does it then go out the accessory pancreatic duct?
If this sphincter is
Pancreatic
closed,
Yeah,
then it will go back in here.
it will go back.
It
in.
will go back in here.
I
There's
didn't know,
also an
because that's
accessory. Each one of these have sphincters around them.
Okay, so even though it's not drawn, it does.
That's correct. Yes, yes. What else did I want to say about that? I think that might be it. All right, so we've got an arrangement here, at least, of our gallbladder and the liver. We haven't done much with the liver, but right now the major function of our liver in the GI tract is what? In our GI system is, as you know it already, to make bile. That is the major digestive function of the liver. Okay, it does lots of hematological functions that we've discussed, as far as plasma proteins. Also does metabolic functions, which we don't have an interest in. Okay, but our interest in the liver is digestive in that it makes bile. Okay, and we'll talk about next time cholecystectomy, okay, and then of course what the problems could be from a cholecystectomy, removal of the gallbladder, and what kind of problems you could have as a result of that. Okay, yes?
Do we need to study like certain pictures for the test, or?
There will be a picture on the test, and so the choices are either the digestive system, which is pretty easy, okay, the colon, or the nephron, which could be a bit of a challenge. So you can take your pick which one might be more challenging. I'm not saying which one it is, But if you look at the nephron, you have a little bit more of the parts to kind of focus on. Not a whole lot with this, truth be told, but that's probably good. All right, there you go. Good question.